In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Payoneer account to Stripe, and we'll get it done in just a few minutes. This is really helpful if you want to streamline your payments and manage your business finances more efficiently. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Payoneer website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't already have a Payoneer account, you'll need to sign up first so you can access your receiving account details. Once you're logged in, go to the Get Paid tab and select Receiving Accounts. Here, you'll see your virtual bank account details. Make sure you carefully note the account holder name, routing number, and account number because you'll need these to connect Payoneer with Stripe. Now, open Stripe and log into your dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Settings from the left-hand menu. Then look for the section called Bank Accounts and Currencies or External Payout Accounts depending on your Stripe layout. Next, click on Add Bank Account. Here, you'll enter the same Payoneer bank details you copied earlier, the account holder name, routing number, and account number. Double check everything to make sure it's correct so you don't run into payout issues. After that, follow any on-screen verification steps Stripe gives you. Once completed, click Save or Add Bank Account to finalize the connection. And that's it, your Stripe account is now successfully linked to Payoneer, making it easier to receive and manage your business payments smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.